Peanut, I have a good feeling about today. The sun is out, people are happy, the birds are singing. You see?
Take Puzzle League, slap on some Yoshi's Island art, and you've got Tetris Attack. Take Puyo Pop, throw in some robots, and you've got Dr. Robotnik's Mean Bean Machine. Take Zookeeper, add some highly marketable critters, and you've got Pokemon Troze. Take Phoenix Wright, replace him with Harvey Birdman, and you've got, well, Harvey Birdman. Attorney at law!
Then maybe you'd be willing to give a dedicated employee a bit of a raise.
All this I cannot do, but I can give you something.
Yes?
I give you... Make party!
I'll admit I've fallen behind on my Adult Swim viewing, partly due to, well, having a life. But I do remember Harvey Birdman, not only from his own show, but from the couple times he appeared on Space Ghost Coast to Coast. From struggling to interview a couple American gladiators to a quote-unquote successful legal practice, Harvey, we're proud of you. And now you've even got your own video game? On 3 consoles, no less. All Tad ever got was a Flash game on Cartoon Network's website. And his own jigsaw puzzle. Anyway, through gameplay that would be downright scandalous if it weren't also developed by Capcom, you lead Harvey through defending and sometimes prosecuting, sometimes kinda, a series of clients through 5 cases. You investigate places, persons, and objects of interest, grill witnesses on the stand, and try to make sense of the downright absurdity that goes on.
I'm supposed to be defending... Wait a minute. Me? What are you... Me? Whatever. What are you/I doing? Defending the innocent, of course.
From the RIAA and human cloning, to Yaki Nail Gun Doodle allegedly knocking over a bank, to Secret Squirrels Indecent Exposure rap, it all ties in well with the particular brand of psychosis endemic to the hit TV show. Fittingly, almost the entire cast of the show reprises their roles for this interactive outing, the only notable exception being Stephen Stanton replacing Stephen Colbert as Phil Ken 7. I suppose America was more important than making video game history.
But who have you cloned?
Who else? Me! Meet Phil Ken 7 2, Esquire, Junior, at law. It's a baby! How disappointing.
My only gripe is that the cases are fairly basic and alarmingly short, especially when compared to the epic confrontations of the Phoenix Wright series. But that might be an unreasonable expectation, considering how much Harvey Birdman delights in just skirting the kind of vulgar and crude humor, or as we call it, fun, that other games would have stayed away from entirely. Blow-up dolls? Sure. Double and triple entendre? Absolutely. Hardcore prawn? Let's just say you get what you ask for. And lots of Street Fighter references. Nobuyuki Johnson, my associate in this practice. Though there's not much of it, Harvey Birdman, attorney at law, is ready and willing to satisfy 24 hours a day if what you want is more courtroom simulation, cheap animation, and funny business without all that thinking nonsense.
There are spies in the utility closet? Isn't he always in here?
Look, I think Falcone is selling off the company piece by piece and pocketing the money.
I knew it.
Yeah, I already have Inch High looking into it for me.
I need to get Falcone out of Phil's office for a little while. There are a few things I need from there.
I can take care of that. Let's go!
It may not be terribly stimulating, but give it a try and you'll soon find yourself a firm member of the Bird team. Ha ha! Parting shot.
Sorry, hate to break up the breathtaking testimony that you have going on here, but I have this, it's a thing that is a scheduling. It was from I'm actually very bored and I just want to leave. Adjourned!